to Bacolod for ASAP XP. So it's 4 o'clock in the morning. We're in the airport. I have my coffee. And we are going to Bacolod for just 15 hours to do the makeup of my muses, Belle and Bianca.
Na-brief na po sila.
Sa akin lahat yan. Charot.
Mas, tiga pa tres. Tapos na garo, parkingan tayo,
It's Belle and Bianca. We're here. In our setup for today with RJ, Mama Brand, and Pepsi.
Hindi to na.
Wala na. Hindi lang.
This is a silver bowl.
Ano ba? My name is Teacher airline mo?
Show 2.
Cebu Pac, 10:30 pa.
Show 2.
10:30 pa yun.
Alas na siya. Gio, nagtatahi pala si Teacher G. Parehas kami out. Okay, so that's it. We're done with show number 2. We are going home, looking for our driver, and okay, we are done. You're
We're
going
done.
home? Are we going home?
Yes, tingnan. Iwan ako. Takbo. Takbo ako ng
Ang
malala.
init.